everyone, friends. I am a professional chef, and this is the richest girl in our city, Chris. And the poorest one named Annie. And they're ready for the culinary battle. Let's go!
Oh, how intriguing. I'd like to get started soon.
Cool.
And here's your first assignment. Prepare a burger.
Oh yeah, hooray! All right.
Let's start.
Super, I'm so hungry.
My God.
And then we can eat it, right?
I do not eat bread.
Okay.
Hello. As usual.
Here you go, ma'am. The golden bun.
Oh, I'm going to be blind. Ugh, poor thing. She had never seen gold in her life. I need to add more mustard to make it spicy, as I like it. And more crispy salad. But the main thing is to fry an appetizing minced meat patty. Oh yeah, here it is. By the way, I have a round shape for this. Oh yeah, let's add some more meat though. And here is my mold. Perfect. Let's do it like this. Great. It's going to be very tasty. It seems that the cutlet is ready. And let's flip it over. Okay, I'm almost done. Oh yeah, I cut the bun. Well, not really evenly, but it's okay. Oh, how should I make a burger? Oh yeah. Maybe I'll find something edible in the trash. Okay, I don't need a banana peel. Yeah, not this, not that. Oh, here's the mustard. Whoa, what do I see here? It's some mold cheese. Isn't it super, like, fancy in French? Okay, the main thing is to concentrate on assembling the burger. Oh, I think that's it.
Interesting.
Ooh, I'm going to take some minced meat from here. I hope Chris doesn't mind. Okay. Well, it's not really enough for one cutlet, but I'll try to make it tasty. Good luck. Oh my God. My cutlet is already ready, and you can add my favorite ingredient. Processed cheese. The more cheese, the tastier it is. Perfect. What about you? Oh, come on. Why are you so important all of a sudden? Oops, my cutlet fell apart. What a pity. Ooh, maybe I can glue it with cheese. Ooh, it's going to be so original. No one has ever done this before. Perfect. Ooh, great. Chris, do you have some salad left? Okay, thank you. It's going to be a cool mincemeat cheeseburger. Ooh, I would rather try it myself. Oh, that's right. I need a tomato too. Yes! Let's cut it. Okay. This is too dull. Oh, Chris, can I take the last piece of tomato from you? Of course. Well,
Oh my
perfect.
God.
Come on!
Well, we're ready. Whoa. Why does it smell so unpleasant? No thanks, I don't even want to try this burger. Ugh. Terrible.
Oh, no!
I won't do it.
Why? I tried so hard.
Oh.
Whoa, this burger is perfect. High cuisine. Let's try it. Oh yeah, this is a masterpiece.
Cool.
Bravo, Chris.
Thank you, Chef.
Chris wins this round.
Well. Wasn't it clear from the start?
Oh, good.
Interesting.
Oh, that's right. Your new task is spaghetti.
Oh, it's clear. I can do it.
Interesting.
The main thing is not to forget to turn on the stove. Otherwise, I was so wrong. Hooray! The water boils. I can put pasta. Okay. Just like that. Let me stir it. Let it boil as soon as possible.
Oh my god.
Oh gosh, these noodles are not tasty at all. I don't want to cook them.
Ew.
Oh, terrible. Okay, I don't need that either. You're scaring me. In my opinion, the most delicious noodles are noodles made of money. Hooray! The spaghetti is ready. I think it's cute. Yeah, the rich have their own quirks. Well, my noodles are ready. Mmm, what a fragrance. Cool. Yummy. Chef's gonna like it. Hello, the same as yesterday. Hurry up, please.
Interesting.
Whoa, a helicopter, look! Is this safe for you? Whoa.
Oh my god.
Yes, this is mine. Great job. Good job, boys. Only I know the secret code, and I can take my gold bars to decorate the pasta with gold. Let me do it just quickly. Can you just imagine how rich and expensive my dish is going to be? Well, let me grate this gold. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Perfection. Whoa, cool. Oh, what should I grate above the
Interesting.
spaghetti? Oh, yeah, right. I think this leaf will look great. Let me take it quickly. Okay. Just like that. Cool. How do you like it? Well done. And I forgot to add the diamond. Bon appetit, chef.
Whoa. Cool. Uh-oh. Is that a dollar noodle? It's not edible. Well, no. I don't like that. And well, I will not refuse a diamond. Thank you. Well, let's try the second noodles. It tastes like Mother cooked it for me. I like it.
Really? Hooray!
Cool.
Oh, I won!
You did indeed. Good job.
Oh my.
Thank you!
Your new assignment is Caesar salad.
Perfect. I do not know what it is, but I will cook it. I will watch what Chris is doing and repeat after her. So it seems that leaves are needed. Got it. Okay, I picked them in the woods this morning. Oh, yeah. Okay, now she needs some tomatoes. Well, it needs to be cut. Haha, what a baby. Are they tomatoes, really?
Oh.
They're so little. Okay, look at the tomato. It's like too little. Well, this is what my grandma gave me. This is our garden tomato. It's going to be so delicious. Yeah, you're too sloppy. You need to pour a special Caesar sauce over the salad, and then I can mix it. Ready. Perfect. Okay, mixing. Well, I don't have this kind of sauce.
Interesting.
Ooh, but I have mayonnaise in my backpack somewhere. Ooh, there it is. Okay, come here. Here it is.
Cool.
Ready. Let me take it out. Put it in the salad. And mix it too. Oh yeah.
Ew, that's
Oh
disgusting.
my god.
Now I'm going to put the salad on the plate.
Oh.
It seems that something's missing. Oh, right.
Interesting.
Monsieur, I need some shrimps. Thank you. Perfect. Just look at this. Annie, this is cool. Oh,
my
come on. Hear what I have here. Nuggets.
Oh.
Hooray.
Perfect, right?
Just like that.
Oh, who hasn't finished those nuggets? It's scary to think.
So it remains to add some croutons. Okay, beautifully assembled. Crackers, you say?
Interesting.
Or croutons or whatever. This bread will do. It has been a month in my backpack. Let's crack it right on top of it. My salad is ready.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Cool.
I'll add some gold. Let the chef be happy. Oh, so exquisite.
And I'll add some cheese. Let's grate it. It's just like gold, but made of milk, I guess.
Cool.
Okay, ready. Mwah. Voila! Perfect. Bon appetit, chef. Come on! Here you go.
Interesting.
Okay, thank you. Let's start with this salad. Has someone eaten it before me? What is that?
Sorry.
No, that won't do. I'm not going to try it.
Oh.
Let me try another salad. Ooh, shrimps. Exquisite.
Cool.
Smells amazing. Well, perfect. Chris wins, of course. Let's congratulate her on winning the culinary battle.
Congratulations, I guess.